Hi guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. All right, it's another weekend, and it's time for us to look at Bitcoin. Yeah, I started watching this price action since Friday, and since Friday, it's been unclear, but after my today's analysis, I can actually have a little uh, view, like I can see exactly what I think might happen because I'm not the one controlling the market. I just react based on price action. Okay. So, looking at my analysis, the first thing you need to take into consideration is the fact that Bitcoin has been trading below the support level, the resistance level of 93,374.99. Okay. So, if you realize every time price comes to this zone, okay, every time price comes to this zone, there is a reaction. Okay. And the last time it came was about 3 days ago. Okay. Now, what are we expecting? This is on the daily time frame. What we are seeing here is the daily time frame. Okay. So I want us to take a closer look. Let us try to understand exactly what's happening. Okay. And well, this is pure technical analysis. It has nothing to do with fundamentals. Bitcoin also has a lot to do with fundamentals. Okay, like just a tweet on X means a lot for the Bitcoin market. Just an action by Microseller has a lot to do. BlackRock has a lot to do. Decisions in the U.S. has a lot to do. But we are saying this based on pure price action. We can receive some announcements that will change everything. But as of now, if no announcement, nothing happens, this is exactly what we're anticipating for. Okay? Okay, you see this crazy price action, all right? What is this? You see, price has been ranging around this zone, creating some kind of price action that we can't explain, right? You see, it came here, did the same thing. You see? And it keeps repeating. It keeps repeating. And now we are having it here again. Okay? So what are we anticipating? Normally, I feel like this is liquidity. All right? This is more like so many people are looking at it and saying, okay, sellers are losing strength. Sellers are losing strength, which is true. Sellers are losing strength. When you start seeing small, small candles after a massive bullish or bearish candle, it tells you the directional bias is about to change. Okay, the directional bias is about to change, which means at this point most of us will be looking for what to buy. All right, but now most people buying will place their stop losses somewhere around here. Oh yes, somewhere around here. Okay, around the last structures we put here, some will put here, saying that, all right, I have a tight stop loss. So for me, what I'm seeing here is a possibility for price to crash, okay, all the way to this zone or anywhere around 47,000 and above, okay, anywhere around 47,000 and above. Look at what's happening. This is a clean trend line, all right. On the 4 hours, it's a trend. It might seem crazy, but it means a lot. It means a lot. This is an ascending triangle. Let's forget about it. But this is a trend, a trend. So we should be expecting, oh, not really, yeah, something like a TED touch for us now to pull all the way up. Okay, we should expecting a TED touch for us to continue the trend to the upside, which means this is exactly what we can be expecting, something like this, a pull, then maybe we'll break above this zone. And if we break above this zone, then we should be taking our first rest around $107,000. Okay? Yes. If we take our first break, we should be expecting. So for today, Sunday, all right? Sunday the 15th. Oh, let me see. Today is the 14th. Sunday the 14th of December 2020. 2025, we should be aware that if Bitcoin drops below, maybe hit around $87,000 or anything above, but not below. I'm not expecting it to go below, because if price goes below, because yes, there are two options. If price break this zone, okay, what we should be expecting for is a retest for price to continue all the way to maybe 80,000. This is the other side of the story. All right, we shouldn't only be bullish. There's also a possibility that Bitcoin can break and continue dropping. All right, so guys, if this video has helped you in any way, all right, if it has given you some clarity, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, show me some love, guys, by subscribing, and also follow me on TikTok, everywhere. Subscribe to the channel. If you want to trade like me, guys, join my free Telegram community where I share signals. Like when this trade validates, I will share it there, and people will trade, will make money together as a team for free, you know. So that's how we roll. All right, guys, thanks for watching my videos. See you on the next video. Ciao.